And here is Viva Naturals High Potency Vitamin D3, Strong Bones and Immune Health, 5,000 IU. So we've been taking this for a while. This has, with organic coconut oil, there's 360 soft gels. We're gonna open it up right now just so you can see the bottle, but you know, the serving size of one soft gel, there's 360 of them. Vitamin D, here's all the ingredients. You can check that out on the product page. So we're gonna open it up so you can see the size of the pill itself. But just wanted to show you what you're gonna be getting when you purchase this product. So after you open it up, just pour some out in this so they can see. And this is what it looks like when you get these. But one serving size is just one of these, and that is going to be 125 mcg, but 5,000 IU of vitamin D. So anyway, this has been a great product. We for sure recommend this, and you should definitely check it out.